Hello. Hi everybody. It's me again, Zell from ZSM Handmade Creations. I just wanted to come on here for a few minutes and show y'all how to make labels for your lip gloss. Like this. Your own labels. See, there's so much light in my room. We got white one so y'all can see it better. There it goes. That's better. I was watching a video earlier and the girl said, "Oh, somebody asked me, did they have clear labels instead of the white labels?" And she said, they don't have those in that size, so that you can't get those, you have to get white. That's not true. So I was looking for labels, and I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg to get labels made, so I decided I was going to make them myself. So I went on Amazon and I found Avery glossy clear address labels, size 2/3 by 1 3/4. The pack come with 600 labels. It's 60 per sheet. You get 10 sheets. It's laser and inkjet printer safe. And the number on it is 6520. So write that down. 6520 is the number you want. This is how my labels came out on paper. I did 2 different tries. One I did, and it was too light because I faded out the lips a little bit. So I went back in, I darkened them up, and it's a big difference. Okay, I paid $12 and some change for the labels. I ordered them yesterday. No, I ordered them Wednesday night, late night. So I ended up getting them today instead of yesterday. But I had time to wait. So I also made some thank you cards. And it's all in Avery. You just fold them. Actually, when you do the one card, it's gonna once you hit save, I think I still got my computer open. Sorry, you guys, if I'm sniffing a little bit. I know the allergies just been tearing me up lately. I just don't know what to do about them, but they need to go. I took allergy pill this morning. I think that's why I'm feeling a little better than I have been. I had to log back into my computer because I want to show you guys how it works. So pretty much I went on and I hit choose template. I found the template 6520. You hit the blank. Let me go in there for you guys. It don't take long. So I found 6520. You can type it in quick search. They got address labels, all that stuff. Fabric transfers, all that stuff. You click on that and go over here to where it says select this template. So that's the template that I selected. I'm trying to get back a little bit. I'm holding my phone in my hand. So then I went down and I select this design, which is blank. But if you was just doing address labels, you could select one of the other ones. So once it's open, I can show you the rest. So then I went over to images, where it's a add image here. So Let me go to my Avery gallery. We're going to do birds. But I went into my folder on my computer, and it gave me, whatever picture you pick. Stretch out. You gotta make sure you stay in a safety area. Just like that. You got birds. So the birds is on there. Then you go up here to hit text. And you add a text box. And it say type your text here. So I'm just gonna type in my ZSM Creations. Okay. I put in ZSM Creations. Right there. And then I go into preview. So you can preview your page. You can zoom in. And that's what they look like. Now you can go back to customize. You can highlight the words. You can change the color. Blue. To blue, yellow, pretty much whatever color you want. You can change the font size to however big you want it. You can get, change the words, underline, click bold, whatever. So once you go to preview up here, you can print it yourself or let them print it. I hit print it yourself. And then it says get PDF print. And it said save it first. So save, open. And there it is. Hit print. Sorry about the coughing, you guys. There it is. Sorry about the coughing, you guys. I told y'all I just been having allergies for like all week. I just can't stop coughing. My throat keep itching. I can't get on and make a decent video. It's crazy. But if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell. I really appreciate you watching. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.